In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a closed caption button that you can place on your screen rather than using the player button. So let's look at what we have out of the box. I have a video here and I've added some captions. You insert the video, and then when you click on the video here, you can see that the video option tools here, and then you can see you can import captions, or if you want to, you can edit or create captions. So we already have captions, we have a video. I'm going to go ahead and preview this to show you what you get out of the box.
At Articulate, you are able to chart your own course, grow, and become an expert.
All right, to hit the captions, just click on the CC button, and then you can see the captions appear there, right?
It's all about how much you put into it.
Everyone has their area that they're...
So that's how that works out of the box. But let's say you don't want the caption on the player and you want to create your own caption button that you can toggle through. So first thing you probably want to do is think about the player. So if you don't use the captions on the player, then you can come in here and you can turn off the captions. So I'm going to go ahead and turn that off. You can see now they're off of the player. I'll hit OK. I'm going to go ahead and create a button. To create a button, just insert. You can create a button. You can do whatever you want to do with that. I'm just going to create a button. We'll make it really big so you can see it. We'll call it CC. Let's make the text real big on there too, right? So you have, this is your closed caption button. Obviously, it's not going to be that big in real life. So what we want to do now is put a trigger on here, and what we want to do is use that captions. There's a built-in systems variable that displays the caption. So we're going to take that, and basically the caption is going to be on or off, so it's a toggle, right? So this is going to be really simple. So we're going to create a trigger. What do I want to do? I want to adjust variable. Which variable? And this is where I can use the built-in variables, and you can see here's one called player display caption. So we're going to go ahead and select that. So I want to adjust that variable, and what I want to do is if we click on the action here, we're going to click on that, and we're going to say we're going to toggle it. So we're going to toggle this when the user clicks the button. Hit OK. And so they click it, it's going to turn it on, click it, turn it off. So let's go ahead and preview the slide now.
At Articulate, you are able to chart your own course, grow, and become an expert. It's all about how much you put into it.
Everyone.
So it's as easy as that. Again, just go ahead and select the adjust variables, and then you'll see that toggle the player captions, and that's pretty much it. Hope that helps.